I want to say congratulations on choosing Invisalign for your orthodontic treatment, and thank you for trusting us and giving you the confidence and the smile that you deserve. So a few things about Invisalign the day that you come to get it. First thing you're going to do is try it in. You're going to notice when you try it in that there's these little bubbles. I know we've talked about it, but the little bubbles will be filled with what's called an attachment. So there'll be a little tooth-colored bump placed on your tooth. When you put your aligner in, you'll notice it'll give it a little snap, a little friction that will help the teeth to move to the right place. The day you get your Invisalign, you'll also be getting a bag of goodies. So Shyla's here to help me with our bag of goodies. First, you'll get an electric toothbrush. If you haven't begun to use these already, I just want you to know you're going to use it 2 minutes in the morning, 2 minutes in the night to make sure to keep your teeth shiny and clean and plaque-free. What else do we have in our goodie bag? The other thing you'll notice is this black bag. When we open up this black bag, you're going to have some cleaning crystals that are going to help you to keep your aligners clean. So let's talk about it. Cleaning your aligners can be done with a toothbrush, it can be done with rinsing it with water, and also using these cleaning crystals. The other thing you'll notice is a case. This case is so valuable because every time you take your aligners off to eat, you're going to be putting them in the case. So the two safest places for your aligners are either on your teeth or in the case. And then remember to clean out your case periodically because it's a place where moisture is held. So make sure to get some soap and water and clean it out. And then what else do we have? So you'll also get this little black bag with an extra case. So sometimes you'll find the need to have another case that you could use. In this bag, you'll find these blue smiley makers, lip and cheek retractors. It gives us the opportunity to touch base weekly regarding your Invisalign treatment, where you send us photos through the Invisalign app, which we'll download the day you come in. And every day, every week, when you send us these photos, we'll check in on your progress and let you know how you're doing with your hygiene and how you're doing with your aligner wear. The other thing you have are these things called chewies. They're to be used to help seat your aligner fully. I like for you to use it in the morning and in the night to make sure that your aligner is fully seated to place. So you'll put your aligner to place with your fingers, then you'll put your chewy, you'll give it a bite, squeeze, hold, and so forth. So go all the way around, making sure your aligner is fully seated to place with your chewy. In here, we also have some orthodontic wax. The orthodontic wax is used in the event that you have an area that's rubbing you. So one of the first things you're going to notice when you first get your Invisalign is that your teeth get sore. They do. It is the beginning of change. So change is always going to have some uncomfortableness. I promise you it'll get better and you'll get through it. So the wax can be used to make those areas feel smooth and comfortable and help the cheeks to feel good. I'm gonna suggest that you use Tylenol, ibuprofen, and maybe some warm saltwater swishes, but hang in there, you will be able to do it. You'll also have a travel brush. With Invisalign, you're gonna find with your tooth movement that you're gonna have areas that you've are catching food, maybe on those attachments. So you're gonna wanna carry this with you after you eat with your friends to make sure that your teeth are clean before your aligner goes back on. And that's something we should talk about. With your Invisalign, making sure that you're not drinking sugary coffee drinks or juices or milk or Gatorade, things that would have sugars that would get under the aligners and lead to cavities and gum disease underneath the aligners. So remember to always drink water. Remember, if your aligner is out and you're not near your toothbrush, rinse your mouth thoroughly with water and then put your aligner right back on. When you get home and get to a place with your toothbrush, be sure to brush off all of the plaque and debris from your teeth. You may have heard me say, or you may have read on the Invisalign website, to wear your aligners 22 hours a day. And some of you might be doing the math. And I would say this, the most important thing is just to wear it. So wear it, take it out to eat, then clean up your teeth and get it right back on. And this will help you to have successful treatment. I don't ever want you skipping meals. I want you to be eating all the foods you want, but you will need to make a change in your habits and your routines in order for your Invisalign to be successful. So for you parents out there, one thing I want to say is be a partner in your kids' treatment. So help them by looking at their teeth at night and helping them find those areas that maybe they're routinely missing. It can make all the difference. So again, thank you for trusting us with your smile. Your commitment will make all the difference in the success of your treatment.